Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send BNB from Binance to MetaMask wallet. So what you will have to do first is you will open your MetaMask, and once you're here, you will just look for all popular networks, which is right here. So now that you're here, you will just have to look for BNB chain, which is right here, or BNB smart chain. So it really depends. So just go ahead and click that, and now that you're here, what you will have to do is go and click receive button, which is right here, and then you will look for your BNB chain address, and what you will have to do is just click that, and then your address has been copied. And after that, what you will do is you will go to your Binance if you already have one, and then you will go to the wallet section, and then you will click withdraw and then choose BNB. And what you will have to do, and by the way, again, make sure that you're already on your BNB. And what you will have to do is paste your MetaMask address, and then you will just again paste it. And then what you will have to do is after pasting your MetaMask address, you will select your BSC or BEP20 network, and you will just have to enter the amount and tap withdraw. Complete any 2FA and security steps and wait for the confirmation, and then you will just have to check MetaMask balance once transaction completes. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.